In this video, let me show you how you can create an Outlook account. If you're trying to create an account of Outlook, you'll need to first of all open up a browser, any browser of your choice, and on the search bar, search for outlook.com. You can also follow along if you're using a mobile phone using the app of Outlook. From the website of Outlook, you'll have two options, either to sign in or to create an account. Click on the Create Free Account button. Once you land up on the sign up page, you'll have two email addresses that you can choose, the Outlook or the Hotmail. Choose the one that you'd like and then type in your email address. Once you type in the email that you want, you can click on Next. If the username that you added in is already taken, you're going to get a sign. So now you'll need to select a different one so that it is available. The next step is going to be to create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, which must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've added in your password, click on Next. The next step is going to be to add in your country or region. It would be automatically selected. If it is not, you can select from this list and then add in your date of birth. Once you add in your date of birth, click on Next again. And there you go. Your account of Outlook now has been successfully created. You can now use this platform to receive and send your emails. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.